Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, mga kapatid. At muli tayo magpapasimula ng ating gawain. Sa umagang ito, ihanda natin ang ating mga sarili sa pakikinig ng mensahe sa umagang ito. Tayo po ay pumuri sa Diyos at umawit ng mga ilang awitin. Give me the Bible. Give me the Bible, star of gladness gleaming. Ready? Sing. Give me the Bible, star of gladness gleaming, to cheer the wanderer lone and tempest tossed. No storm can hide the radiance peaceful gleaming, since Jesus came to seek and save the lost. Give me the Bible, holy message shining. Thy light shall guide me in the narrow way. Precept and promise, law and love combining, till night shall vanish in eternal day. Give me the Bible, lamp of life immortal, all of that splendor by the open grave. Show me the light from heaven's shining portal. Show me the glory gilding Jordan's way. Give me the Bible, holy message shining. Thy light shall guide me in the narrow way. Precept and promise, law and love combining, till night shall vanish in eternal day. Kalawang awit po, glory to His name. Down at the cross where my Savior died. Ready? Sing. Down at the cross where my Savior died. Down where for cleansing from sin I cried. There to my heart was the blood applied. Glory to His name. Glory to His name. prayer, Brother Jesus. God be with you till we meet again. Taas. Wala ko. Ready? Sing. God be with you till we meet again. By His counsels guide uphold you. With His shield securely fold you. God be with you till we meet again. Till we meet, till we meet, till we meet at Jesus' feet. Till we meet, till we meet. God be with you till we meet again. God be with you till we meet again. In God's banner floating o'er you, smile desperate thing way before you. God be with you till we meet again. Till we